Achoo! Bless you. That was weird. That sneeze came out of nowhere. Where's Boppy? Hey, Boppy. What did you find? I hope it's a skunk again. That was awful. Tell me about it. My room still smells like a skunk. Are you sure it's not just your dirty laundry? Fine. Achoo! What is going on? Are you coming down with something? I don't feel sick. I think it's just allergies. What are you allergic to? I didn't think I was allergic to anything. Everybody's allergic to something. Is that so? Is that a proven medical fact? I read it online. Then if you read it online, I guess it must be true. Achoo! 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 Bless you. Oh. You okay? Not really. Why'd you fall down? You wouldn't believe me if I told you. Why not? I think I know what's making me sneeze. What? A unicorn. Did you say unicorn? Yes. There's no such thing as unicorns. Stop that, you're embarrassing yourself. Then achoo, you see, achoo, 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 achoo. What's Boppy barking at anyway? Achoo, achoo, achoo. Oh, now Boppy's seeing unicorns. 2. Get off. Did you get that needle and unicorn, Boppy? Good dog. You see, well, now you don't need to worry about that unicorn. Okay. Oh no, it's back. Check the bush, check the bush. If there's a skunk in there, you're so dumb. Go look, quick. Got me! What? You okay? Yep. Do you see it? Nope. I must be going crazy. Definitely. I'm always randomly sneezing. I wonder if unicorn cause it. Sure, Paul. I suspect that there's an invisible unicorn around every time you sneeze. They're not always invisible. Achoo! Ah, my phone! It took my phone! What took your phone? Well, didn't you see? Say it. I don't want to. Say what took your phone. It was. Yes? A unicorn. I knew it. Why did it take my phone? Boppy! Get that unicorn! Are unicorns real? I thought they were made up. I wish I had my phone so I could look this up. I think it's safe to say this is unusual. Boppy found unicorn! Give me my phone back! I can't go near it. I will sneeze myself to death. I don't think anybody dies in a sneeze attack. How do you know if you don't can make a call. Get it, Poppy, get it! Achoo! Get it! Get it! Achoo! Get it! Get it! Achoo! I think I'm gonna die. This is terrible. I know. Not you. My phone. My phone is gone. What am I going to do? Oh. I'm so sorry to hear you lost your phone. If you got time, you should have compassionate hearing. I'm so sorry. I haven't posted anything for a long time. Will my followers think? Will they think I'm dead? What if they think I'm dead? My life is ruined. Come here, you. Let's take a selfie. Cheese. This picture will go viral. Do you know how to dance? We should totally do a dance. Why'd you do that? I wonder what I'm allergic to. Wow.